Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2019 Holden Equinox LS Plus. Stock reference number 4847. This shape runs from the 9th month 2017 through to the 12th month 2020. It has a 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, radiator grille, left-hand fog light, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tailgate garnish, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror, power fold type, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, power mirror fold type, black cloth interior, black vinyl center console lid, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.